Of Johannesburg's Mayor Dr. Mpho Phalatse has joined scores gathered in Soweto today for a walk aimed at raising awareness around autism. The walk was organized by the organization Mothers of Children with Autism, which supports and empowers families of children living with autism. And April is marked as Autism Month globally. Newzroom Afrika's Katlego Legodi caught up with the Mayor of Johannesburg.
The 5-kilometer autism walk here in Soweto has just gotten underway, and one of the people that have graced the presence here at this walk is the Johannesburg Mayor Mpho Phalatse, who's joined scores of mothers and children that are living with autism here in Soweto for that walk, where they are raising awareness around issues of autism. I'm going to bring her into the conversation now to just let us in on how important was it that she forms part of this walk here today, as we take stock of the challenges that are faced by families that are living with autism. And Mayor, thank you very much for joining us on Newsroom 405. Just let us in on how important was it that you formed part of this walk here today.
This is a truly brilliant initiative. I'm a medical doctor myself. I've worked a bit with autism. In all my 6 years of training, I never saw a single case of autism. I studied the theory, I watched the movies to try and understand what a patient with autism looks like so that I'd be able to diagnose it. But because of the lack of exposure, I can't say that I was ever really sharp in picking up the signs of autism in a prospective patient. Now, what this is doing is it's bringing mothers together who are raising children who are living with autism, and I believe there are many more, because this is one of the poorly diagnosed conditions simply because it's so rare, and a lot of our healthcare professionals don't really know how to pick it up. What we did when I was the MMC for Health in 2016, between 2016 and 2019, is we partnered with Autism South Africa, and we started to capacitate our doctors in picking up the signs and symptoms of autism. And what we did is we started to also raise awareness. We also partnered with iAfrica, who have technological apps which you can load on a tablet that assist with communicating with a child with autism, but also improving their learning capability. Now, what I would like to see happening in the current administration is for us to pick up on those partnerships and really partner and support with these women who have now come together and formed a support group of sorts, which I'd really like to congratulate them for, because finding somebody who understands your journey and what you're going through is great support already, but they also need extra support in terms of communicating with their children, understanding them, helping them to learn, and so on. And we will be able to facilitate those engagements as the city.
City of Johannesburg Mayor Mpho Phalatse, thank you very much for your time. Of course, that is the City of Johannesburg. It's number one person here, the Mayor Mpho Phalatse, who formed part of this proceedings here in terms of that 5-kilometer walk, raising awareness around issues of autism. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Katlego Legodi in Soweto.